Good morning. Sunshine is back here in Toronto. Let's check the neighborhood after a snowstorm yesterday. Okay, let's go. Here we go. First stop, our neighborhood. This is the real view of Mabley Crescent today, 1/18/2022. After a huge snow dumping 45 centimeters high with our winter storm yesterday. So let's go around Mabley. Welcome to Mabley Crescent, Toronto. Here we go. Come join me and let's tour my street after a winter storm yesterday. It's quite chilly. Weather is I think -9 today. Far better than yesterday's -23 and 45 snow, 45 centimeters high. Look at our street today. See, this is part of Canada's life. You have to bear with snow, winter storm, negative temperatures. It's part of life. Trees has no leaves this time because it's winter time. Driveways are clean, but some are still trying to clean up their driveways. People I think are work from home today because of the weather condition, road conditions. There's a lot of cars stuck, piled up along the roads yesterday. It's one of the worst winter storm ever and first winter storm in 2022. Look at that. Chilly, chilly weather today. Look at that. The sun is shining so brightly. But it's -9. Welcome sunshine here in Mabley Crescent. But it's still so chilly. Look at that. Oh, I've got my hands frozen. This is a street getting out from Mabley Crescent if you wanna get the bus. See? It's hard. It's hard to walk with snow. You're walking like a penguin. This house still not clean up. There's a lot of work to do. Another house never touched. Look at that. More work to do. That's why if it's winter storm, you have to have time to clean right away before it piles up in front of your house, your garage, your driveway. Because once it's piled up, oh my god, it's hard. Look at that. This is what it looks like with Mabley Crescent. Oh, good. This driveway is clean, but the neighbor is still untouched. Look at that. There's still a lot of things to do. Driveway plowing. Okay. This is Canada A. But we get used to it already. Been here for almost 14 years here in Canada, and I got used to living with as high as negative 35 degrees temperature, as high as 45 to 50 centimeters high snow. Part of being Canadian. Okay. This is Mabley Crescent. Thanks for touring with me. It's nice to walk around after a winter storm. Been stuck for almost 2-3 days because the past few days we're skyrocketing with negative 25 to 35 degrees temperature, so it's hard to go out. Now we're just negative 9, and after the winter storm it's also nice to walk around the neighborhood. Frigid, chilly, wintry. This is Canada, and thank you for touring with me in my neighborhood. 59, 57, 5, Mabley. Here we go. Back to station. Thanks for watching. See you again for the next winter coverage. Bye.